Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, salam kebajikan, nama budaya. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aisyah Rara Maharani from Management Class 22B. Here I will deliver material about diversity in organization for the organizational behavior course. Diversity in organization. Definition is an organization where there are individual differences such as a gender, race, ethnicity, and so on. For example, the diversity that exists in Indonesia is the wealth and beauty of the nations. Diversity level. The two levels of diversity in organization are 1. Surface level diversity. These are differences in characteristics that can be easily perceived as such as gender, race, ethnicity, age, or disability, which do not necessarily reflect how people think or feel, but can lead to certain stereotypes. 2. Level of diversity in. There are differences in value, personality, and work desires that can become increasingly important in determining common ground as people get to know each other better. Discrimination. Discrimination is the attitude of noting difference between one thing and another, and often referred to another. Discrimination, where judgment of a person is based on stereotypes of their demographic group. Demographic characteristic. It is a social science that studies the population of the regions, be it a sub-described village, district, province, or country. Characteristics have specially characteristics of the population that can distinguish it from other population. Biographical characteristic. Personal characteristic consisting of age, gender, marital status, social and cultural diversity are the most obvious difference for employees. We can look at factors that are easily defined and available data that can be obtained for the most part from an employee's human resource file. Variation in surface level characteristics might be the basis for discrimination against classes of employees, so it is important to know how related they are to work outcomes. Biographical characteristics include biographical characteristics include 1. Age. The relationship between age and job performance is likely to become a more important use over the studies. 2. Gender. There is not notable difference between men and women. Usually, it is related to the local culture of absenteeism that women have a higher rate of absenteeism. That means this is related to the responsibilities and functions of a woman of the household. 3. Race and ethnicity. Race grouping based on biological characteristics of the color of the skin, head shape, hair color. 4. Disability. Disability is a person who experiences physical, intellectual, mental, and/or sensory limitation for a long period of time while interacting with the environment, can experience obstacles and difficulties to participate fully and effectively with other citizens based on equal rights. Ability. Ability is an individual's current capacity to perform various tasks on the job. Overall ability is basically made of two sets of factors, intellectual and physical. Intellectual ability. The ability required performs the mental activities of thinking, reasoning, and problem solving. Most researchers place high value on intelligence and for good reason. Physical ability, the capacity to perform tasks that demand stamina, agility, strength, and similar characteristics. Although the changing nature of work means that intellectual ability is increasingly important for many jobs, physical ability is no less important. Diversity management. Diversity management is the process and program by which managers make everyone aware of and insensitive to the needs and difference of others. 1. Addressing, selecting, developing, and retaining diverse workers is the ability of a manager to manage human resources by selecting, developing, and retaining members subordinates. 2. Knowing the characteristics in the group, namely the ability of a manager to achieve the vision and mission by managing the diversity of characteristics the group. Conclusion. Diversity is viewed from many different perceptions. Effective diversity management can enhance our organization's success in drawing on the widest possible range of skill, abilities, and ideas from its employees. Thank you. Bye-bye.